Have you ever felt a deep, resonant silence where your most cherished desires reside? A quiet corner of your soul that yearns to be heard by the vast tapestry of the universe? Perhaps, in moments of quiet reflection, you've sensed a subtle disconnect, a longing that, despite all your efforts, seems to hover just beyond your reach. You are not alone in carrying this unspoken question, this poignant wonder about why your heartfelt prayers and affirmations haven't quite brought forth the reality you envision. What if the answer lies not in speaking louder, but in understanding a deeper, unseen language of your own vibrating essence? How many times have you felt like the law of attraction seemed to fail, like a distant promise that never materialized? It's not what your conscious mind desires, but what your subconscious is vibrating, that echoes in the quantum field. There's an invisible barrier, a subtle dissonance between the mind that aspires and the heart that vibrates. Your conscious desire is like a beautiful melody, but if your inner self, your energetic body, is emitting static, that melody can't be decoded by the universe. Dr. Bruce Lipton, a master in understanding the biology of belief, reveals that our subconscious is the true conductor. It stores programs, beliefs, and memories imprinted on us since childhood, often before we even had conscious awareness. These unspoken beliefs, these silent screams of unprocessed traumas or emotional wounds, act as energetic blocks. They aren't visible, but their frequency is undeniable, and the universe, being a perfect quantum mirror, merely reflects with precision your internal vibrational state, not just your positive affirmations. Your life is a faithful reflection of what vibrates within you. And what if the pain you feel today was, in fact, an invitation to look at these unspoken echoes? Many of us have been taught to repeat affirmations, to act as if the desire were already real. But the true key to quantum manifestation lies in something much deeper: the felt state. Joe Dispenza, with his profound understanding of neuroscience and spirituality, shows us that the mind has the ability to create a future memory of your desired reality. It's not about faking a feeling, but about becoming the feeling, embodying the emotional frequency of your manifestation before it physically appears. Your body's biology responds to your spirituality. Every emotion you experience generates a unique neuro-emotional signature, releasing substances like dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin, which not only influence your state of well-being, but also calibrate your vibrational frequency. When you experience the joy of your manifestation as if it were already real, you begin to rewrite the neurological code in your brain, creating coherence between your heart and your mind. Try this simple practice. Allow a deep breath to settle your being, and then visualize your desire not just as an image, but as a sensation. Feel the gratitude in your chest, the warmth of accomplishment, the lightness of peace. Sustain this feeling for a few minutes, allowing every cell in your body to vibrate at that frequency. Let this feeling be your request, your most intimate conversation with the universe. It's not what happens outside, it's what vibrates within. When the desperation to manifest something overwhelms us, we tend to fall into the trap of over-control. We want to micromanage the how, dictate the timelines and the paths. However, it's precisely this need to control that sabotages the intricate and perfect pathways of the universe. You are not broken. You are in transformation. Surrender isn't synonymous with giving up, but with unwavering faith. Neville Goddard taught us that feeling is the secret. It's the feeling of already possessing your desire without attachment to the method or the timing. Think of your journey as a river. Your desire is the final destination, but the universe is the river itself. Trying to paddle upstream or force the flow is the greatest energy drain. When you trust the wisdom of the river, it will carry you to your destination in perfect time. The universe only needs one answer from you. Yes, I am ready. Allow the frequency of trust to settle in. This doesn't mean inaction, but rather the certainty that things will unfold in the most aligned way. The universe hears you, and it knows the way. Your current reality isn't fixed. It's a fluid field of probabilities, shaped moment by your observation. Quantum physics shows us that the act of observing collapses infinite possibilities into a single reality: your beliefs.